I stopped going to class for 2 weeks. Skipped every lecture. My teachers were furious. My parents were worried. But my grades actually improved. 81% to 93%. Here's why attending class might be hurting your grades. Let me explain the problem with lectures. You sit there for 50 minutes. The teacher talks. You try to listen. You try to take notes. You try to understand. All at the same time. Your brain can't do all three effectively. So you end up doing all three poorly. You write words you don't understand. You miss important explanations. You leave confused. This is not learning. This is just being present. Here's what I did instead. I used lecture recording apps. My university allows recorded lectures. I downloaded them. Then I studied at home on my own schedule. But I didn't just watch passively. I watched actively. 15 minutes of lecture. Pause. Write down what I understood. Ask ChatGPT to clarify confusing parts. Resume watching. Pause again. Test myself. This took the same 50 minutes. But I actually learned. Because I controlled the pace. Second thing I did. I studied during my peak focus hours. In class, I had lectures at 8 a.m. I'm not a morning person. My brain doesn't work at 8 a.m. At home, I studied at 2 p.m. My peak focus time. My brain was sharp. Alert. Ready to learn. Same content. Different time. Completely different results. I absorbed information 50% faster. Third thing. I eliminated classroom distractions. In class, students whisper. Phones buzz. People walk in late. My attention breaks every few minutes. At home, silent room. No distractions. Deep focus for 50 minutes straight. This changed everything. I understood in one session what used to take 3 sessions in class. My results after 2 weeks. First quiz, 93%. Previous average, 81%. 12 points higher. Why? Because I learned actively, not passively. I studied when my brain was ready. I eliminated distractions. I controlled the pace. Same content. Better method. Better results. But here's important. This only works if you have discipline. If you skip class and don't study at home, you fail. Obviously. This method requires self-control. You must watch the lectures. You must study actively. You must test yourself. If you can't do this, go to class. Better to learn passively than not learn at all. Here's my recommendation. Try this for 1 week. If your university allows recorded lectures, use them. Watch at home during your peak focus hours. Pause frequently. Test yourself. See if your understanding improves. If it does, continue. If it doesn't, go back to attending class. Different methods work for different students. Find what works for you. Comment below if you would try studying without attending class. Let me know if your university allows lecture recordings. And subscribe to Learn Fast AI Academy, where we test unconventional study methods that schools won't tell you about. See you next video.